on I-95 north.
This is the blue one, it's the less aggressive of all. With the soap and water mixed in there, you want to clay it. If you notice, you won't hear any noise. You see how I'm rubbing it? You don't hear any noise? That means you've eliminated the friction. What the soap and water does is this. You got ivory dishwashing liquid, which has got some sort of cut to it. You take the ivory dishwashing liquid with the wax there, and what you've done is you've taken down the friction a couple of levels, but you've also increased the strength of this. Because this, now what I'll do is I'm going to take a machine over there. Instead of just calling it a day and saying, you know, it's waxed, it's okay, what I'm going to do now is take this machine over here for this right now. Feel that pain now. Feel how glassy it is. How it's just really. Now, here's another thing. When you do glass, the same thing for glass I do for glass, I do for the paint. So in other words, when you do glass, same thing, soap and water. Always soap and water, because the soap and water is the lubrication. And plus, when you have soap and water and you have a little bit of wax, if you get close to an edge and there's a piece of dirt in there, if you're just claying over paint and you pick up that piece of dirt, you can kind of scratch it. So if you got wax all in that mix, it really doesn't matter if you pick up the piece of dirt. Plus, let's see, right when I'm doing that, okay, now I want to change this over to that side. Because just in case something's in there. I'm like, oh! Yeah, it's hot. Everybody that has a dark vehicle, the top surfaces are you can tell, cooked. And that's brand new vehicles. So. But I'll take this over that.
How'd it come out good?
It looks good.
Rear view mirrors. You never want to do anything to a rear view mirror. Be very careful because it's sprayed on. It's not the glass. You can't steel wool it or nothing. You got to really baby that rear view mirror.
So you gonna do that one, Jeff? And then
We'll knock this out real quick.
All right, we'll get out of your way. Let you work. We don't want to have an audience. So if you guys want to help all you can.
No, hang out. Come on
hang
now.
out with Jeff.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here.
Yeah, I got some more stuff I want to show you.
Put paint stuff on a light
Put
coat.
a light coat of paint on
Use your
there.
average
You know.
water soap.
And then just one good squirt of ivory dishwashing liquid in there.
Okay.
And I mean, look at that. This car has kind of a lot of overspray on it. It's a pretty good hit. And it's just taking it off. And what's great about it is no solvents, no compounds, no, you know, nothing strong or anything. Was used. Oh, hey, this one's got some overspray on it. This is what I like to do also, is take the camera. Let them see the damage. That's HD right there, friends. When you look at this damage on this trunk and you think about the clay bar removing it, that's a remarkable product. That's the overspray. There it is. Remember how I tell you how it mills it down? You're talking about taking paint off of paint, no chemicals. It's a remarkable product, I gotta tell you. You see how it's discolored?
Oh yeah.
And not a sound. All that sound you may have heard before. I mean, that's, you gotta know. You're not scuffing it, and you just beefed it up. I try to explain that to people, but they just don't get it. Look at all that. This is quite a bit of overspray, actually.
Yes, it is.
And then when you get the clay where it's like where I'm right now, see how it's like that? Flat. For some reason, when you flip it over to an edge like that, it's got a little bit more. It's like you're sanding something and then it starts losing its strength and you can feel it slipping. Turn it to the side. Over like this. Clay and a wax. Well, I'm going to set everybody up here with the correct products because this happens again, you know? Oh, yeah.
Now this had overspray on it, correct?
Yeah, sure did.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, she had a little bit.
That's crazy though. I mean, I never would have thought.
There's like a company that went out and done this.
Right. Well, I didn't think this was, a thing that happened on a regular occurrence. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, no. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, international services. No, we travel everywhere, bro. We do.
All right.
Go to, if you want to find me on the internet, all you have to do is Google, like, you're looking for a paint overspray company.
Yeah.
Paint overspray company, hit videos.
All right.
The only videos that pretty much they display are mine. I'm
All
talking
right.
the world, baby.
And from
I
that
do
camera
like
right
these
there,
little cars. They will scoot. Even though it ain't American made.
Yeah. This is true.
Can't everything be perfect as America is? Look at that. That's it there, baby. Let's get that thing outside. That's your finished product. We worked on it till the sun went down. But this is the first of a 400 car group. That's beautiful. Look at that. I gotta tell you. It's beautiful. She had quite a bit of overspray on it too, let me tell you. It wasn't no little bit on there.
John 8, 328, please, John 8, 328.
There you go.